So here's how you can add location on Instagram. So the first step is you have to copy your current location that you want to add in your Instagram. For that, you can open up Google Maps or whatever map you are using right now. So once you are in, you just have to select that particular location that you want to go with and simply pin that location. Once you have pinned the location, you just have to tap on share button and copy the link. Once you are done, open up your Instagram and you just have to tap on this edit profile button. Now you just have to go for this link under the bio. Tap on this add external link and paste that particular URL that you have copied right now. And after that, you just have to add the title, whatever you want to go with, and simply tap on done on the top right, and you're good to go. So that was the process of how you can add location in Instagram bio. So make sure to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.